Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account in Bow dating application. So if you don't download or install Bow dating application, then go to Google Play Store or App Store to download this. And after downloading, you can see this Bow application. So simply tap on your Bow app. And after that you will get interface like this. So Bow meet new people, so you can log in with two ways. The first option, sign in with Google and sign in with email. So if you click sign in with email, then you have to give all the information manually. But if you sign in with Google, then if you tap on the first option, then you can create your account easily. So I recommend you create your account with first option. So you just tap on your Gmail account and it will be okay. So I'm just going to tap on the, and after that you will get here what's your name. You have to give your name here. So I'm just going to give my name here, and after that you can see the right arrow, simply tap on that. And what's your gender, you have to choose your gender. So I'm just going to choose my gender and then tap here. And what's your birthday, you have to give your birthday here. So you won't able to change your birthday, so give your exact birth date. Okay, so I'm just going to give my birth date. And so okay, and after that tap here. You can see, and you can see you want to be able to change this later, so you have to choose the right birthday and tap the right button. And is January your birthday, you want to be able to change later. So I said yes. And who do you want to meet, friends or dating? So you can choose here, like you want if you're a girl, then maybe you'll find men friend or women friend or non-binary. So you can choose. I'm just going to choose both, or you can choose multiple. So simply tap here. And most dating apps are just a beauty contest. The distance they are waiting, it's okay. So now, so they're just showing you how it works, and I think it's really amazing animation. And welcome Ragiv to Personality Universe. So simply tap here, or you can check. If you swipe, then you can check. Okay, but I'm just going to tap on the right button. And that's, you can see I'm the final stage. So simply tap here right button and enable location, meet people nearby, and 50 coin. So continue. If you enable your location, then other people will see you that where you are. So I'm just going to continue. Both personal quiz, I already know my type, so I just type it. And what's your personality type, you have to choose which personality people you are. Okay, so I'm just type randomly. Okay, and you can learn more, and you can choose, like I just make it short. And you can choose your popular or interesting here, movies, music, food, cooking, so learning. So you can choose your interest, and all the things will save here. At least 5 you have to choose, and more than 5 you can choose. So I'm just going to an advance. So if you really want to do this thing, but you can do it later. So this time I can go skip, like education level, drinking, smoking, kids, religion. So I'm just going to skip. What's your job title? I can say digital creator, or you can give your, or if you are a student, then you can say I'm a student, or private your private sanctuary. So this time I'm skipping all the things. I'm skipping all the things. So dimension here are, so I'm just going English and then skip. I can skip all the things. You can do this thing, upload photos and videos. You can upload photos, so just simply tap. I'll show you later how it works. You can do this thing, but this time about me you can write, or I can give digital creator, and then if you want to get $5, then you have to allow your location. You can turn off your location later after getting the things. I'm just okay, and it is not totally free. Okay, and just continue. So this time I'm just cross it. So here you can see this is the final step of your bow application. So how it looks like, I will upload more videos